Hello, my name is Sagarmatha and I'm one of the team members of Smart Home Reality Customer Enhancement. So, first of all, I would like to acknowledge IIBIT College to extend our heartfelt appreciation for providing Smart Home Reality as our master project. We, the participant, also have our sincere acknowledgement to our professor, Ahmad Nadeem Said, accompanying us all through the semester with his support, advice, and encouragement. So we also thank all the staff at IIBIT College who directly or indirectly supported us to complete this project. So to talk about our project uh, for the Smart Home Reality CRM, we were a team of four: Divas, Manjil, Sagarmatha, and Sandesh. So first of all, we had our contact with supervisors and our client, and we found out our problem statement. We found out that Smart Home Reality used a traditional CRM system, so it lacked advanced analytics and automation features. So we decided to gather ourselves and create an automation feature with workflow system and better communication. So because the company faced challenges in providing consistent and personalized customer interaction, so we decided to focus on lead management, customer interaction, and potentially gaining customers with our workflow management. So these were the client requirements, which were functional and non-functional requirements. The client needed advanced analytics, automation, multi-channel communication, and customer feedback and analysis. The stakeholders of our project were owner, project manager, supervisor, credit analyst, team member, customers, service providers. The objectives of our project were uh, the insights on advanced analytics for customers, automation for lead management, personalized communication, multi-channel communication, enhancing the customer journey, customer feedback collection and analysis. So research was done by Divash in three different sections, which was improving real estate CRM user experience and satisfaction towards a holistic perspective of customer relationship management and impact of CRM, IMC, and PE on purchase intentions. So the project approach and methodology was Agile and Scrum framework, where the work was divided into three parts, that is three sprints. In sprint one, we allocated some of the tasks into critical, high, medium, and low priority. So in sprint one, we focused on critical and high priority works. In sprint two, we focused on high and medium, and similarly in sprint three, we focused on medium and low. So this was sprint one, sprint three in picturized format. Our research methodology was qualitative method where literature review was done and clients review was also done. So this is our work breakdown structure. We initialized our project with project briefing, understood the objectives of the project and knew the scope of the project. Where in planning we created a storyboard and we also created a roadmap for our work form. In execution form, we divided our work into three sprints, as said earlier, and divided the critical, high, medium, and low user stories in accordingly. After the execution, we tested our product and we delivered the project to our customer and did the closure. In sprint one, we focused on the initial sprints, which were critical, high, medium, low, and once it was finished, we went on to sprint two. So these were some of the backlogs from the project, where four of us equally divided our time to complete the sprint one. So this was task allocation, where me as a team leader, I did user stories 18, 19, and 20 in 24 hours. So these were some of the process flows created in sprint one. In sprint 2, we focused basically on the categories like critical, high, medium, and low, where we focused on 12 user stories. So the key feature was early development in our project was the wish list, and our main objective was to react quickly to shifting organization requirement. So this was the incoming product backlog. This was some of the sprints that we performed, and this is the task allocation for sprint 2, where I did a US 9, 29, and 21 in 22 hours. These were some of the platforms that we created and workflows that we created in sprint 2. In sprint 3, this is the final sprint of our project, where we focused on several user stories with integrating different functionalities to enhance the system. We considered different aspects such as task creation, real-time tracking, collaboration with banks to ensure a fully functional CRM system. So this was the backlog for sprint 3, where me as a team leader performed a US 32, 33, and 34 in 23 hours. So these were some of the flowcharts that we all created together in sprint 3. So talking about the enhancement that we performed, our enhancement sections were on client journey, campaign management, Salesforce automation, sales analytics, reports, and lead management with feedback. So this was the feedback created by Divash. This is the customer journey created by Divas as well. This is the feedback where I created the feedback from website, social media, Google form, and feedback analysis. So in this process, we extracted every feedback from website, social media, Google form, and we filtered the keyword from the feedback and we stored the database. Also in report, we had the request from customer, lead, marketing, sales, finance, and we gathered the request and we fulfilled the request from the report section. Lead management and sales analytics was done by Sandesh, and campaign management was done by Manzil. Also, another point that I did in this project was the research on HubSpot CRM, where customer was using. The HubSpot is a cloud-based CRM. It is user-friendly and intuitive in design. It allows creation of custom objects and fields according to the need of the customer, and enables non-technical users to customize and set up. So what we did in HubSpot was we created an account and we added all of our team members in the HubSpot. So also the database given by our client was added as an import, which was lead management. So the lead contact details was all added, and we did a demo creation of the ticket, where one ticket was assigned to me myself as a ticket owner. So another thing was we converted one of the lead to customer and see that we could create an automated email generated and sent to the new customer. Also, for one of our team members, we were able to add a task so that he could perform at any given point of time, at any day, so sending him notification as well. The limitation of HubSpot was it was free trial version. It was, although customizable, it was not able to have a deep customization. Also, reporting and data analysis feature was not there. Storage limits was restrictive, and it was a cloud-based service, so it relied on a stable internet connection. Another thing that I did in this project was the dataset filtration and cleansing, where this side was the data given by client as an element, and this is our addition to that element so that we could perform analysis better. So we performed the analysis in Tableau. Especially I performed the analysis in Tableau, where I created a dashboard analyzing some of the datas here. So this was some of the analysis and answers that we could come up from the data set given by our client. So from this we could have a conclusion about lead age count, lead source count, property types, etc. So application of the product, talking about it, the application of our project has better communication, where user experience of client is hassle free. The lead turnover is done in no time. and feedback and analysis by analyst. Analyze lead data for more focus centric marketing, leads interest, addition, and flexibility. The limitation issues of the product was data privacy, software capabilities, analytical capabilities. The recommendation given by us is implement strong encryption, cross platform development, analytical tools, and unified communication. So basically, the three largest contribution that I made from this project was, first of all, in sprints where I created some of the flow charts. Secondly, I did HubSpot CRM research, and third point, I did the Tableau analysis. So the unique thing that I learned and contributed from this project was team collaboration and contribution and teamwork among client supervisors and team members. Also, the idea to improve this course is for better communication, better flow of information between clients, supervisors, and team members.